Assalamu alaikum everyone. I hope you are doing well. If you follow my Facebook page and YouTube channel, you will have to know that I am trying to 21 days challenge to fit myself and my improve my mental power and improve my health as well as. If you see my first day of 21 days challenge, you can see I am trying to speaking English in front of you guys and give me some tips and how I maintain and my 21 days challenge that I am taking in front of you guys. I am sharing how I could spend my day with yourselves, how that can and motivate you to challenge yourself, and also me I can challenge and I have to prove myself that I can take more challenges like that, and I can also prove myself that I am taking the challenge and I am indeed the challenge as well as. So last night my sleep was not good. That's why in the morning when I was woke up, I was just tired because last night the electricity occurs some disconnected. That's why in this hot temperature I cannot sleep very good as well as. So my morning started at 5:16 or 5:15 am, and in daily basis my duty was leave to my niece Fatihatullah Anisha to her madrasa, and then and I am come back my home and praying my Fajr Salah. After that I was after that I was reciting the Holy Quran at least 1 hours, because it helps me the worldly and the spiritual aspect of my life, and I learned a lot from the Holy Quran, that how can we be motivated in hard situation, and how we can improve ourselves to be a good human being. Afterwards I take some chickpeas. The chickpeas is are very important to our health, and it has some fibers that's very important to weight loss, because when you eat the chickpeas, it your starving was very clearly, because your belly was fully added fibers and proteins and some carbs and good fat as well as. And then I took my laptop and sit in front of my laptop, and I just code 45 minutes most probably. Then I take my breakfast, which includes I think first I take my breakfast as two piece of fishes and 200 grams of dals and 100 grams rice. It has the 40 to 16 grams of proteins and 100 gram carb and 10 to 15 in percent of fat as well as. And after that I trying to code, but you already know the last night my sleep was not good. That's and I just laid my bed and sleep away. When I am woke up, I saw it's time for my Johor Salah, and I am taking my Johor Salah. Afterwards, when I come back my home, I a mental situation cannot support to stop smoking, then I just smoke in the daily basis, who happened frequently. I can't avoid, but I want to give up the smoking. It's very unhealthy for our lives, as you should know. Then I go to my room and I just say, I just saw one podcast. After that, I taking my lunch. It's 2:30 p.m. After that, I just go to my bed and sleep 1 hours, and then afterwards, when the Asur Salah's times I pray Asur Salah. Uh, After that, you know, I is every day I am trying to listen some podcast, which gives me to enrich my knowledge, my view on the our lives, some important person who gives the direction what they do, and they give me some direction and what they do wrong in their lives, how can, and that's why I'm trying to catch something that can improve myself. And after that, I am praying my Maghrib Salat, and then I take one piece of banana, which is very important to going after the gym. Then I go to the gym and I spend 1 or 2 hours, 1:30, most probably 1:30, not 2 hours, 1:30 minutes in the gym. After that, I go to my Nis madrasa and I just took him to the rooms, and then I took my shower, and that's indeed the second day of my 21 days challenge. If you want to take the challenge with me, just please do subscribe and do share button. You can share my video to your friends who can take challenge like 21 days with me, and you also subscribe my channel to more information which I provides you, and how I lead my daily life in 21 days, you can also know. So thank you everyone for seeing this video. Assalamu alaikum everyone.